What should I do if my CVV code is invalid?
Hello, everyone. Today we're tackling a common problem faced by many people when trying to make online purchases, an invalid CVV code. If you've ever had your card declined with this error, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on what to do when your CVV code is being flagged as invalid.
What is a CVV code?
Before we dive into how to solve this problem, let's briefly understand what a CVV code is. A CVV code, or Card Verification Value Code, is a 3-digit or 4-digit code found on your credit or debit card. This code is used as an extra security measure to ensure that you, the card owner, are actually the one making the purchase.
Why is my CVV code invalid?
An invalid CVV code can be due to a few reasons. You might have misread or mistyped the numbers, the code could be worn out and unreadable, or there could be an issue with the card issuer's system. In some rare cases, your card might have been compromised, leading to the invalid CVV error.
What should I do?
Now, let's move on to what you should do when facing an invalid CVV code error. 1. Check your CVV code. Start by rechecking the CVV code on your card. Make sure you've entered the right numbers. 2. Contact your bank or card issuer. If you're sure that you've typed the correct code, but you're still getting an error, it might be time to contact your bank or card issuer. They can help you understand if there's any issue with your card or their system. 3. Request a new card. If your CVV code is worn out and unreadable, you might need to request a new card from your bank or card issuer. 4. Monitor your account. Lastly, in the rare case that your card has been compromised, it's crucial to monitor your account for any suspicious activities and inform your bank immediately. We hope this video helps you the next time you encounter an invalid CVV error. Remember, it's always important to keep your card details secure and to be vigilant for any signs of suspicious activity. Stay safe, and happy shopping!